Hello world, welcome to my channel. We are in Belarus, in Minsk, and I plan to show you vibes of city center. We will have a walk along Nemiga street. Stay tuned and you will be informed about what is going in Belarus. And don't forget to subscribe and check my Instagram.
Let's have a walk along the most romantic, mysterious and dynamic part of our city called Nemiha Street. I find this place quite attractive with its mix of historical sites which keep special, unique atmosphere of Minsk. You will be attracted by the impressive bas-relief erected in 1979 and carrying the ideas of cosmopolitanism into the masses. March of workers from different countries united to defend their rights and freedom. It is called solidarity. This mysterious street, which was destroyed and rebuilt several times, keeps many stories and secrets of the city, revealing which we will understand Minsk better. An interesting fact that the word Nemiga comes from Lithuanian word insomnia. Nemiga is a secret underground river hidden into the pipes under the street, which is one of the most ancient in the city, and the street was named after the river. Nemiga is like a ghost of the city today. It exists, but you don't see it. In old times, the settlement was found along this river, which flowed into Svistlish River, the main water artery of Minsk today. Can you imagine that this river was flowing in the middle of this street till the First World War, and even turning into a small street, it brought many problems to the citizens, especially during the spring floods and heavy rains, flooding not only roads but houses as well. So, to solve this problem, it was put into a collector and the road was created. But to be honest, Nemiga Street still often gets flooded in days of heavy rains, and the river brings headache to a local rescue service. When you are in Minsk, pay attention to the yellow Orthodox church named after Saints Peter and Paul. This is the oldest building in our city preserved till today. To be specific, it was constructed in 1612. For a long period of time, it was the only one Orthodox church in the city. The temple served not only as a spiritual center of Minsk, but also as a fortress with thick walls during the war, and it was used as a hospital during the Napoleonic War. Even barrels with herrings were kept in it. Walking along this Nemiga street, hard to imagine that 2 centuries ago it was dirty and quite unpleasant part of the city. But nevertheless, it was one of the main shopping streets in Minsk. To this day, Nemiga hasn't lost its essence. A huge shopping center is located next to small shops and coffee houses. Two-storied shopping mall on Nemiga occupies the magic part of this street. I can call this place back to the USSR. If you are a curious person, go inside and check it out.
It's perfect time to come to Belarus. Pretty warm weather, sunny days, amazing atmosphere, very light regime in terms of mask, and no quarantine, no curfew, and you are very welcome. I am really surprised that people are so afraid to come to Belarus. They are scared of that self-isolation, but look around and you will see that people are walking around and that there are tourists in Minsk and they are not staying at home. Nobody checks and you are free to come to Belarus. It's the perfect time to plan your alone journey. You can come for 11 or even more days to Belarus. Well, I hope that you enjoyed our short city walk and you felt atmosphere of Minsk. If you like my video, don't forget to put your thumbs up. Stay tuned to be informed about Minsk. Soon I will make more videos about Minsk and other places where it's perfect. So now it's time to make more videos. And if you want to support me, please become my patron on Patron. I will be very grateful to you. See you soon, guys. Come to Minsk.